Nih,
Apa Friday? Tambah kamu itu lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sien ka film ha ususo tham auditorium naruga kapra tarik adu laipuai tarik ubanai jemang. Kipor kilong kanar baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Turmen manyakan dua biang yepi sashi sien.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka court admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka ba dunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Da ka babu akman ya ka thong man pelaj ya ki samla na drugs. Ka Sarkar Meghalaya, lingba ka drug reduction, elimination and action mission haka khatkhandai trik ujemmang arja upon rio. Kala pelong ya ka program ka ba pelilat ya ki kena samla, bakin yo ya ki jingsha Hikai Pyntbit, hadon Bosco technical school laim kra Shillong, kenang makin dupla ban seng ya ki kam ki jamla jong, da ka ba yeng hala ki jong ki kchan. Habakran hagila pathai kubor u mission director jonga dream uba Francis G Karshiye. Ulo ong bakalong ka banon kam hadu kata-kata. Bandon yikilat jingada kenang man pelat yiki kena samla na drugs da ka jinga trelang barki kenhun per hagis nong kitau kenang baki kena barki samla kibala pep Skul Shiteng por kindubla ban pelat jingmun ha ka jing Shah Hikai Pyntbit ha ka ni sngi kila don kumban rupasan ngot ki kena barki samla na keleng gisnong kibala leit ban sngap yikilat a jing Hikai kibala Hikai hadon Bosco technical school
ha ka jaka kuma pichi ihi babachi tip hi bakadun Bosco kasi eye training ha kibubun jat te katkum ga e jong mi hang ngi don lai ja ki jing training ngi don kong ka ITI ga bing khot ka industrial training institute ka ba affiliated but ka NCVET National Council Vocational Education Training kato one benye po center. And then we have also functional vocational training, that is FVTs. That is another like for 6 months from Don Bosco. And then we have short-term courses for 3 months, 2 months and 1 month. There are around, short-term courses, we have around 40 courses here in Don Bosco. FVT, that is functional vocational training, we have around 11 or 15 of them. Then ITI, that is Industrial Training Institute courses, we have 8 trades. So if as your dream, the full form is drug reduction, elimination and action mission. So I know young people, I am so young like you, I'm just completed my degree and then I came here, I was put as vice principal and also to look after technical. So I know young people are so much into this and one way to prevent is so that will not be idle, begin shong tang hayeng, scroll ko phone, pay YouTube, pay Instagram. Kawai bengila ban lais, bengila ban skill ila jong, ban upgrade ila jong. Laling kita class 8 mulai, laling kita class 10 mulai, laling kita gede-gede mulai. Henry kebram kamis ke skill. Ada pilihan channel mentah ki advertisement. POE, tang basic kum taban long pion no, kinto atau pokok requirement with basic computer knowledge. Ki ong am kata. So one way is kami have upgrade ke skill jong ikan. So hangnya Don Bosco, kumbaga ang IP ngidan ki skill shibon. Telada pi skill bit banwan skill bahasa onjon ka admission namta ka arjar alponyo kadang pli bidang action. Dengan tu IP yaki trades jong ka ITI ki bedon pratali kenang mapin skill tu ba hakano kalan pi interest hakano kalan ba pi skill tenat ban join dene kaden habot pila ban perkat kenang mapi pinjok mentoy na kine ka training dan ki skills. Katkum ka program jangi ka ITI ngidon pratali, ngidon electrician, nang ta wireman, nang ta MNV motor mechanic vehicles, nang ta ngidon ka welding, welder bengi ong, dan ngidon woodwork technician, kitchen rangkum carpentry mo, nang ta ngidon DTP operator, desktop publishing operator, nang ta ngidon stenography and secretarial assistant, and saving technology for fashion and all those things for girls. So even boys also are there, okay, so don't worry. So, course kalong tangi Kiba, yakini ITI requirements yung qualification is 10 above. I mean, haven't passed matric sejurong. Except tangga welder department bangising.
Kakam ladan. Lada kamyo timyo sport barliru kumahagani na Bosco Youth Center. Ipa ikna kan tay ban today kila pas lang day. Kilik tray baka Lila Hotel, Lila Royal Hotel na kay. Kani ko hotel 5-star hotel. perkat directly berpas nang ni nyok 3-5 star hotel kamdeng waka. Dah apa sistem bidang nyok ke training nyok bidang nyok tak sepuluh ajar ni. Mansen dah kata sistem tulak kala iwe. Ni dah kata ke jimin tuai. Bila 3-5 star hotel. Dia nang tu sekhmat pinaliwat kam hang nu hotel ayo be. Bila ju 3-5 star hotel. Kita lagi di Gunung Shah. Ante nagaliang youth center ki pendrung sport indigo. Pendrung kita je kia tie up but kiwe company tu. Tak Shuttle dan ke India. Dia nak dia ke ITI but semua nak bakalan apa Bosco tu kile ki international programs tu. Kita gila kin play lada ki puli i3 minute hangni ki learn ke skill but ki pass ki certificate. Kita akan ikut angka. Dia kata orang ni rap epi Iwan lam yang minta macam itu ini di department repair dan baik ke skills berpikir nang ta sakmat bereng ni sa kasong happy ber bapin tristom pin puli pin pendek minot ya ka
ya ka mon maskem joka soka ban pendu pendam yo new drugs de kadi mentasi kadi ko ka you kam pika manian te la kami drugs kam dia tang kam pulit mereka bahe ka area ka de ka prevention kemudian dah nak jungi ban ngop au drugs natang ilah le ata ka de jing jok bakra de mentasi kadi ka lat lenti ban ya dai na ki bayu tingi collaborate but ka nakaliang dream mission ni collaborate ki sengen thai but kini kia identify ki khna oper haki kishnong ki thawung ki bam le school show ki bam don kam don jam ni wanam ni ban ketik ya kamen sim ki ban pi ya ni ke technical school ni ki bon ki department sang ni ban ketik ya kamen sim ki bakin shim ki skills bakin learn ki skills bakin la ni yang ki jat ki yu rajo ka mus ka koksan ka jing temu ki de ban yata iki ban pelai iki na ban ha ka ki jung drugs te andre hang ni bata kam dei tang bat dom school technical school ni partner ba ITI ba dom school youth center te ka shong ha ki khna la da dong interest bakin jet ki jong skills but ka dream mission ka support ka ai kat ka support ka ban kam kham tam ki longieng long sam ki khna ko wan ko longieng long sam ba ni na bakalang ni badio ji kenba ndring gidon kuma ndru po ndru pusan mut ki khna chendang bat kente ngara kemen pelat ba ki wan mi adu ni khna baklam boy khat ki ni adu ni ndring kemen pelat te mentangi dengan Ïalam ni lai pia lai group ni dengan room kuma man ki jong department man pen ki skills ki badan ni po institute khna do wan balat kidon ki khna do wan po kdukula kidon khna wan nong po na ba per ngim don gadong kan mo jing ya le sidia ndai kan khna sol ki ban pi ndai mekin nong kondong ngi encourage khna ki dom.com no jam khawi ka project mentang gi dele mata bagi khaptam ki ba na nong kondong le si ki bamla mon mat sa ba shlo ni next program jungi ngi Ïalam ki shikadam kulai chapo animal husbandry farm juga kedam kulai hang tu ngin peni ki skills ya ki bang kuat ban don kini ki skill ni bi kuat ban yang bandri merat bandri masih ya bandri siar dan si risnya shen ngin Ïalam ki sipo kedam kulai hang tu ngin peni ya kham tam ki khana no kono ki ba kuat ban seng la ka coba ka hang tu ngilai kran ba ka veterinary department hang tu kin sa training san sa yu kin yo certificate wi ki la ya auto certificate ni si kin yo lat kan ti ban shim scheme song ki government ban seng la ka coba business
kani
sing ban ko ni de le ka nanti kita ka bacang ai ba kani jing temu ko de ka don ka jing temu ko bacang ai ba kani makin dah layo ya kani ka makin layo kani ka skills nang ni kinyan kerja ka jo kinyo ki degrees kinyo ai tingila ban pa ki sport nilai partner ba ITI ba dom school ki dom school ITI kan penrum kami ki hapo kibi company ba per po di India bat kibi kum ga ITI pada Shah bari ki penyo kami ki tinga dai ka ba khrau ba na ka ta ki na ban like ko ni no slip jong drugs.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.